Welcome to the Mind Body Resilience Show. I'm manager and trainer Coach Lee STARKS. I will share with listeners what makes my techniques and training methods effective in each episode. I equip fighters with a bulletproof mindset required to excel in boxing. I came up with these techniques after running 20 marathons in 2 years, 6 of which were ultramarathons of 100 miles or less. Ultramarathons and boxing are related to me because they are two sports that push your mind, body, and soul to the edge of destruction. But in the end, you truly discover who you are. This level mindset and focus is not easy to reach. But if you want to truly be the best, you have to look inside your soul to find out who you really are. You have to realize one thing in this: ain't nobody gonna give you shit. You gotta work your ass off for it. If you wanna be the best, you gotta fight for what you want in this life. Cause ain't nobody gonna give you shit.
Podcast is brought to you by WINJECT Studios. We are an all-in-one educational platform for podcasters that revolutionizes how hosts leverage content to increase engagement with listeners, downloads, and income. We come together to focus on community, collaboration, and collective impact. For more information on how you can interact directly with our hosts, access exclusive live content with offers you can't get anywhere else from our official partners, join our purpose-driven community by visiting www.winject.com. If you're ready to build a career doing what you love, then we're ready to see you there.